Real estate term of the day, deed in lieu of foreclosure. What is this? When someone finds themselves in a foreclosure scenario and they see that there's no out, there's no way they're not going to be able to sell, they're underwater with the mortgage, meaning they owe 400,000 and the house is worth 350, and they cannot do a short sale. Then what happens is some owners will say, hey, bank, how about I give you the title to my house as long as you don't do the foreclosure? Now, that's a great benefit to the bank. However, here's the kicker. Some banks may not accept it. Why? Because if they accept the deed in lieu, they also inherit all of your problems. Let's say you have an HOA, you're behind a year and a half. That becomes their problem. Let's say you have a second mortgage. That becomes their problem. Instead of foreclosing, if they foreclose, the second mortgage is not their problem. And the HOA, they only have to pay a certain amount by law. They don't have to pay the entire year and a half. So it may not be a benefit to the bank to do a deed in lieu. However, if you just have that one loan and you have nothing else, then it becomes a benefit to the bank. Why? Because they're going to ensure that you leave that house swept clean and in perfect condition, or the best condition that it could be. It has to be livable. In other words, you're not going to get a sledgehammer and destroy the house, which happens quite a bit in a foreclosure. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session for the sales associate or broker associate, just pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time.